I've been reviewing the Honeydue app throughout 2025, and it remains one of the most intuitive and relationship-friendly tools for couples looking to manage their finances together. Whether you're merging money or keeping some accounts separate, Honeydue offers a flexible, communication-focused approach to budgeting. Honeydue is designed specifically for couples. You can link your bank accounts, either joint or individual, and choose exactly how much to share. Full transaction history, balances only, or nothing at all. This level of control helps couples maintain transparency while respecting personal boundaries. A standout feature is the in-app chat. You can tag your partner in a transaction, ask questions, or even send emojis to react to spending. It's a lighthearted way to keep financial conversations going without needing to switch to another messaging app. The app also supports over 20,000 financial institutions, allowing you to track checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and even investments. You can set spending limits by category, receive bill reminders, and split expenses easily, making it ideal for managing shared costs like rent, groceries, or subscriptions. However, Honeydue does have some limitations. It's mobile only, so there's no desktop version. It also lacks advanced features like savings goal tracking or investment analysis. Additionally, while the app is free, it includes ads, which some users might find distracting. If you're a couple seeking a simple, collaborative way to manage day-to-day finances, Honeydue is a strong choice. But if you're looking for more robust financial planning tools, you might want to explore other options. If this review helped you determine whether Honeydue fits your financial needs as a couple, please like the video, share it with someone exploring budgeting apps, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.